Hello students, good morning. Today we will see about electromagnets, and it is given in page number 145. You please all open your science book, page number 145. So let's know about electromagnets. So what are electromagnets? From the name itself you can say it's a type of magnet, right? It's a type of magnet that runs on electricity. It is a type of magnet that runs on electricity. That means when electricity is passed, you know, in the previous class, when electricity is there, magnetic field is produced, right? And from that magnetic field we get these electromagnets. But how we can make an electromagnet? Let's see. Very simple. You can do this activity. You need a battery, it's an iron nail, this, and this is a conducting wire, and when we wound this wire around this iron nail, that's why it is called coiled wire. So you connect these conducting wires to the positive and negative side like this. You take a battery, you connect it, and you wound this wire like this. You wound this wire around an iron nail. So now since you connect this with a battery, so electricity will be passed through this iron core, right? So when a coil is wound with an iron core, coiled wire, you can say iron core, it acts like a magnet as long as the electric current is passed through the wire, and this is known as electromagnet. Understood? This is iron nail. It is wound with a wire. It acts like a magnet as long as the electric current is passed through the wire, and this is known as electromagnet. And the strength of this electromagnet can be increased or decreased by increasing or decreasing the number of turns in the coil. So if you increase this number of turns in the coil, that means you are increasing the strength of the electromagnet. And if you decrease the number of turns, that means you are decreasing the strength of an electromagnet. So it's a temporary magnet. It is different from permanent magnet, right? Because as soon as the current stops, it loses its magnetic properties. That's why this electromagnet is also called temporary magnet, because it loses its magnetic properties as soon as the current stops flowing through the coil. So you see, we are connected to a battery. This is coiled wire, this is iron nail, and when there is electricity, you know, magnetic field is produced, and this I have shown like this. These are the magnetic fields. These lines are the magnetic field lines. Okay, these are the magnetic fields. So also you remember this, electromagnets are temporary magnets because it loses its magnetic properties as soon as the current stops. And also the strength of this electromagnet can easily be changed by changing the number of turns of this coil wire. Yes, of this coil, if we change the number of turns, that means we can change the strength of electromagnet also. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.